Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing. This is our second unboxing from Beachy, and it is the summer 2021 box. It is a quarterly subscription, and it is like a surfing beach themed box, and it's a mystery. So we are going to open it up and see what is inside. I'm like so excited. So you open it up. It says, "Hello, sunshine. By ordering this box, you have helped protect and restore vital coastal ecosystems. A portion of proceeds have been donated to our partner, Sea Trees, who will be using your donations to restore kelp forests in Southern California, plant mangrove trees all over the world, and more. Thank you for being a Beachy member and supporting the Sea Trees mission." I actually don't remember seeing that in the last box, so that must be new. Okay, so in each box, you get several different items. So first up I see is sunscreen. So this is Sunbum 30, SPF 30, and this is a very good sunscreen. This retails for $10, so I think everybody has heard of this one way or another, because every store. Let's see, Patchology Resting Beach Phase. So this retails for $20. And let's see, this is a sheet mask. You get two of them? Oh, you get 4. So you get 2 for your lips and then 2 for your face. Gotcha. Okay, cool. So the lip is like a gel kit, and then the face is a sheet mask, and it's soothing. So we will have to try that out. Let's see, there is a bag here. I'm just gonna pull out. It's very big. Oh, so this is a Vera Bradley. Oh, actually, I was just saying how I needed another cooler that's bigger for our trips. So this is the Rainforest Canopy Cooler by Vera Bradley. And so this is, or when you pull your straps up, you take this piece and you buckle it, it just snaps. And then it makes for easy carrying. So this retails for $42 normally. And how cute is this? It's got monsteras and palms. It's got other other plants. Very tropical. Kind of looks like my background in my room. It matches everything in my life. So you can carry your cool drinks and snacks in style, and it is just plain white inside. I love this, so I'm actually going to use that a lot. Next up, there is a jewelry box. So it says Logan Tay. I've never heard of them before. Let's see here. Ooh, shell, yeah. All right, I like this so far. Oh my gosh, I almost bought a bracelet like this 2 days ago. I'm so glad I didn't. Okay, so it's a calorie bracelet, and it's got one gold one in the middle, and then it's one of those that you just pull tight, like all those. That's awesome, because actually I have a gold bracelet in this size more of like the casual Pure Vita type, like string bracelets you pull. And I've been wanting some gold bracelets to go with this gold bracelet I like to wear, because this bracelet is very special. It's a seashell from Hawaii, and I love it. You can only get it from Hawaii. So very cool. So let's see, this actually retails for about $45 from Logan Tay. And it's kind of like a statement shell bracelet. It's like perfect arm candy. Then next up, let's see what I have here. I have a beach blanket. Are you a beach blanket? You're not a beach blanket. You're not a beach blanket. This is a little cover up. Oh, this is cute. So it's called the Cocoa Cover Up. I don't know if you can see it. So it's by Charlie Holiday and it retails for $95 normally. And this is an Australian brand. It's got a cute little thing, little tassels there. This is really cute. I will wear this all the time. I love like casual beach cover-ups, as you guys can tell. I just live in them. And then lastly, oh, this is a beach blanket. This is more like it. Oh, look, more tassels. So this is the Isle of Palms beach blanket. So, oh, that's nice. That's one side. This retails for $49 normally. And it is by With Love from paradise.com. And the pattern, oh, I see. It's kind of, I can't think of the name of the tree. It looks like, it resembles a banana tree, but it's not. It's kind of like a bird of paradise leaf. Either way, and then you got like palm fronds back there. Either way, that's really nice though. Again, I like my tropical stuff. So cool. That is the box for summer 2021 from Beachy. And you know, each box is a little bit different. You never know what you're gonna get. Other people, gosh, they might have gotten other things in it. I don't know. I think for the most part, everybody gets exactly the same thing every month, because I know it varies like box to box, but very cool. This is a good box. I will absolutely use everything in here. If you are interested, you can use my code for $25 off the box if you want. I'm going to link it below in the description. I am not sponsored by this video. I purely doing this out of love because I don't tend to go shopping too much with COVID and everything, and so it's a way for me to get beachy clothes, just a way for me to shop without leaving the house, and it like keeps me on, I don't know, it's like beachy clothes so I don't veer off my path, I guess. I don't know, I like it. I'm not sponsored, but I don't care. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video, and I will see you around. Bye.